Don't worry, Mr. Smith. Yeah, it's just a small problem. Follow the step as I said. It will be solved easily. Yeah. Step 1 is okay. And step 2. Very good. Yeah, it can work, really. And yeah, you will come. See you. Bye. Hello everyone. A customer found that the inverter was not powered, but the other parts were normal. He was very anxious, so he called me for help. Let me show you how to solve the problem. Let's go. Check the inverter operation steps. First, check whether the input power cord of the inverter is loose. If loose, reconnect it. Second, use a voltmeter to measure the actual input voltage and check the machine voltage. Change it to the correct voltage. Third, check whether the toe voltage is stable. Before, many people ask me how to solve the problem that the toe sensor cannot be used to determine the origin of the workpiece, the axis. Next, I will answer for everyone. Check operation steps of the toe sensor. First, check the toe setting field. Open the field named M930 in the computer and copy the content of the field. Open the Match 3 software. Click Operator. Click Edit button Script. Click the flashing position of the icon in the interface. Open the field and release the field content. If the toe sensor still cannot be matched normally, proceed to the next step. Second, check whether the bearing of the toe sensor is loose. If loose, perform welding and test whether it's normal. If the toe sensor still cannot be matched normally, proceed to the next step. Third, check the connection between the toe sensor and the machine. If it is loose, reconnect it. Until now, the video is over. At the end of the video, we summarized the solution. We're currently doing a solicitation activity. If you have any questions about the CNC router, you can leave the message in the comment area. Maybe the next video we will explain the solution to your problem. Okay, see you next time. Bye.